What's good, family? I'd like to welcome y'all right back to the channel, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Today, we have another fashion video, man, coming right back at y'all with another haul at one of my favorite brands. But before we get into that video, let's shout out the channel, man. We are right now at 123 subs, man. So let's keep going up. Let's try to hopefully, I'm pushing to like probably January. Let's go and try to get up to about 300-400, possibly even 500 subs, man. So let's keep going up and up. Like I say, man, once again, I just appreciate y'all for continuing to rock with your boy. Now let's get into this video. Now, the brand that we are getting into today is, like I say, another one of my favorite brands, Tommy Hilfiger. Dope fashion little haul I got for y'all with some of the jackets and they vests. So let me start out with this first one right here. Now, this jacket right here, I was on the internet. I don't want to say I got tricked, but I love the jacket. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This jacket was hella dope. It was fire. Basically coming at y'all with the colors. The color of this jacket was so dope, but like I say, I was so disappointed because the yellow that was on the jacket was not the same yellow that I'm gonna match up with the shoe. But as far as that, the jacket is fire, man. Like, the jacket is crazy, cream, yellow. But like I say, as y'all can see with the shoe that I'm showing y'all right here, that the yellow is not the same as the one on the jacket. Hella disappointing. I know y'all went out and probably purchased something that y'all thought was the same color, possibly something that you already had, and it didn't turn out that way. That's the same situation I had with this. Let me hold it up, let me show it to y'all. I'll give y'all another close-up. Now, like I say, this yellow right here, I was really banking on it being the same yellow that was on the Michigan Dunk Low. And I was gonna definitely try to kill with that. Like I said, that was the same yellow. This jacket would have been a perfect jacket for the fall, winter, whatever like that. Lightweight jacket, it's not heavy at all. And that's one of my favorite things about jackets. I don't really like big, heavy jackets like that. Even though it does get cold here in Texas, I don't really like heavy jackets because 9 out of 10, I put something on up under them to make sure that, I'm warm. But I love like lightweight jackets. Those are my favorites. But man, like I say, with this jacket, I'm not disappointed as the actual coat. I'm just disappointed in like the color. I'll open it up for y'all to see the inside. Because like, I know that inside the coat, color fire too. Nothing the same. It's just sometimes, some Tommy jackets, man, they just have like, the insides on there have like a hidden zipper or hidden compartment inside the jacket like these right here. So, just wanted to bring y'all this jacket, man. Like I say, the jacket is fire. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. Just based on knowing me, I'll probably end up keeping it because it actually, I actually have a pair of shoes that I can match up with it. I don't want to do those shoes because one thing about me is when my mind is set on an outfit, my mind is pretty much set on the outfit. Let me show y'all the shoes that I was talking about. Now the shoe that I was gonna match up with this and I thought was gonna actually go were these Michigan Dunk Lows right here. As you can see, they do not go with this color. Different yellow, but on the internet, y'all, it looked like the same yellow, but it's not. I know I'm not the only person this happened to. I know y'all order stuff online all the time and may get some in and it may not be the same color, but that is like that's like a bad thing ordering online, even though like I love to shop online. Like I pretty much rather would shop online before I go inside of the store because there's so much more to shop from and so much other things to see online than it is in the store. But I promise to y'all, this same color online was this light yellow. It was not the same yellow. But like I say, I definitely can still match something up with this. Another Dunk Low in mind I have. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Now, these Georgetown Dunk Lows, if I wanted to do this, I definitely could because I still could bring out the gray and the navy in this jacket right here. So matter of fact, I tell y'all what, this gonna be on y'all. Y'all comment down below and let me know if I should keep this jacket and just pull out the gray and the navy on this jacket, Just let me know. Make sure y'all comment down below, man. This video gets so many likes. This jacket may end up staying. But y'all, I'm just one of those guys, man, that if I got my mind made up, that's dope too, the Hilfiger that was in the back of the collar of the jacket. If I got my mind made up about something, that's just me, man. Like if I buy this and I got these shoes to wear with that, that's definitely what I'm gonna wear with it. But yeah, so I just bring y'all this jacket, man. Like I say, once again, this jacket is definitely fire, hard. So let's get into the next one. Now this next one is a dope windbreaker. It's Tommy Hilfiger as well. What I liked about this was definitely the color. Now everything that I'm pulling out, y'all, if y'all like this, I will have the links posted at the bottom. This was actually retailed at $200, but I definitely got the sale on this joint. I think I got it on sale for like $90. Now this was definitely hard. Like I said, I love the color on this joint. Definitely any type of little windbreaker that I can throw on. Like I call it throwing goals, you see what I'm saying? Somebody can just throw on and go. Now, like I said, once again, what stood out to this is one of my favorite colors, orange, as y'all can see in the video. With the blue, definitely something that pops. I got definitely a lot of shoes I can go either way with this. Probably some jeans or something like that that I can match up with this jacket. The pockets is dope. One thing I do like about it is all these different type of compartments on here. These different zippers. Not really like it's basically a pullover. So, like I say, something I can just throw on and go in and out for the winter. And just another dope little jacket that I decided to order from Tommy, man. They had another one that was black, but that black one I actually ended up seeing in the mall, but it was not online, and I had already purchased. So I said, if I do keep this one, well, what I probably do now that I've seen it, I'll keep this one. I definitely wanted the black one because the black is just, you know, black stand out. But I definitely wanted to bring out this one as well. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this. Comment down below. Tell me what y'all think about this joint. So yeah, let's get into the next one. Now on to my favorite one. It is a Tommy vest. Now me and vests, I love vests, especially with the hoods on there. I actually ended up finding one that I like. Now out of all the items, like I say, that I ordered, this is my favorite one. Just based on the colorway. I'm a huge red and navy. Like red and navy are two of my favorite colors as well. Any type of vest with a hood, I love, as y'all can see. Y'all can check out the vest right here. The double compartments on the zipper at the bottom of it. Also followed by, we got one on the other side up here too. Also followed by just the colorway, man. Like this navy and gray, navy and red. And on this right here as well, let me show y'all the inside of this. Y'all remember I was saying Tommy has those jackets with those secret compartments, right? But not only do the secret compartment is my favorite part about the jacket. Look at the inside of the jacket. Like it says Hilfiger right down the back right there. That's dope to me. Like branding. I'm huge on branding, man. So anything where the brand pop out on it or something like that, I'm huge on it. I actually thought when I seen this right here, the Hilfiger on the middle, well down the back of it, I actually thought it was a reversible jacket. Cause I was like, wow, well I didn't see the tag, so I was like, nah, it can't be reversible. And any type of vest with a hood, you win me over. When I rock the vest with the hoods, I normally rock it with a turtleneck or like a long sleeve up under it. You can do a short sleeve depending on, you know, the weather, but normally me, if I was throwing the vest, I normally put on a turtleneck or a long sleeve up under it. Now, followed by these hidden compartments right here. That's dope. Other zippers in the jacket, in the vest, I'm sorry. Right here, which was fire. I think there's another one over here. Oh no, it's just on one. Yeah, it's just on one. But yeah, man, this right here definitely ended up being my favorite vest. Well, no, it actually ended up being my favorite out of all the items that I ordered. And speaking of those Georgetown dunk lows, I think I want to do those with this. Matter of fact, let me show y'all how this match up. Now, speaking of the Georgetown dunk lows, as y'all can see, with the navy and the gray, I definitely said I could do something like this. I think this is fire. With probably like a white turtleneck on it, denim jeans, blue jeans. You know, just another little throw and go fit for the winter, fall, that is. But I'm feeling the hood on this, man. I really am. So, Georgetown dunk lows, fire little fit for the winter, man. So, that is all the Tommy Hilfiger items that I have for y'all. So, once again, man, shout out to Tommy. The items was dope. And remember, guys, I will be posting the links to everything you've seen in this video. And you guys do me a favor, man. Please comment down below. Let me know out of everything y'all seen, what y'all favorite outfit was. And let me know, y'all, if y'all feel like I should keep the navy vest with the yellow. Even though the dunk lows were different, the Michigan dunk lows didn't match up with that yellow. Let me know if y'all feel like I should just pull out the Georgetown lows and rock it with that as well. Or y'all just let me know if y'all feel like I should, you know, take that one back and get another one to try to just coordinate the outfit a little better. Me personally, I feel like it'll come out, but I'm just headstrong on when I see something to match with the outfit. Once I see it, like I want it to match with that, man. But yeah, y'all, before we get up out of here, y'all, I have to leave y'all one more thing. Please, when y'all see these videos, if you like these videos, man, smash that like button for me, man. Subscription is definitely what we aiming for. But if you like the video, y'all, please make sure y'all hit that like button. You hit that like button, that helps me out a lot, totally. But before we get out of here, man, I can't leave without y'all seeing what your boy got on, man. So let's get into this. So guys, let's get into this outfit. Sweater come from Jimmy Jazz, straight from a brand called Style and Dean. We picked this up. I actually picked this outfit up. Well, I actually picked the sweater up to wear with these shoes. Now the shoes are the Shadow Backboard 3.0s. Now, I did get lucky. I am probably, I ain't gonna say one of the few people. I am one of the people that have every pair of Shadow Backboards. I've had the satin ones. I even had those. I got rid of those. I have the first ones. I have these. The second ones I did have, but I got rid of them. I don't know if they still count if I had them and got rid of them. I'm gonna count it. The hell what you talking about? But I was like I said, I'm gonna count it. The jeans come from Forever 21, skinny low rise, denim black jeans. Come from Forever 21. Accessorized with my Ferragamo belt, man. Came from Bloomingdale's. And like I said, it's the outfit for the night, man. Something light. Once again, like I say, appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. Continue to rock with me. Run this like button up. Go crazy on it. Thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all have a good night.